MediaTek Dimensity 8250 unveiled, a reworked Dimensity 8200. MediaTek has refreshed the Dimensity 8200 chipset from late 2022 under the name Dimensity 8250. The original chip stood out back in its day as it was MediaTek's first 4 nanometers chipset below the 9000 series. This one is also fabbed on a 4 nanometers TSMC node N4, and looking at the spec sheets for both the 8200 and 8250, we don't see much beyond an upgrade in model number. The chip is still a solid mid-range offering with 4 Cortex-A78 cores, one at 3.1 GHz, the other 3 at 3.0 GHz, and for Cortex-A55 at 2.0 GHz. The GPU is more impressive with a Mali-G610 MC6 configuration. The display driver supports up to FHQ Plus displays at 180 Hz or QHD Plus displays at 120 Hz. Phones with the Dimensity 8250, as with the 8200, can be configured with quad-channel LPDDR5 RAM up to 6400 megabits per second and UFS 3. On the camera side of things, the ISP does HDR processing in 14 bits and can handle sensors as big as 3 to 0 MP or 3 to MP cameras simultaneously. When paired with a high-resolution main sensor, the chipset brings to X lossless zoom. 4K video recording is available at up to 60 fps, and the chip has built-in AV1 decoding at up to 4000, more important now than ever after YouTube switched over to AV1. The display adapter also handles HDR10 plus adaptive, and there is built-in SDR to HDR conversion with AI, which also does noise like the rest of its Dimensity siblings. This one has a 5G modem on board with up to 4.7 gigabits per second downlink speeds. Local connectivity is handled by 3-band Wi-Fi 6E X2x2 and Bluetooth 5.3 with Bluetooth Low audio. The chipset features the MediaTek APU 580 for AI computation, and it has been optimized to work in short bursts to keep thermals and power usage in check. The first Dimensity 8250 chipset is just around the corner. The Oppo Reno 12 is coming on May 23rd, Thursday next week. The Reno 12 Pro will use the Dimensity 9200 Plus Star Speed Edition instead.